Before we really get started with our keyword research, let's first discuss what a good keyword actually looks like. What are we looking for? Which keywords are the best ones for our website? There are 3 things that we're looking for in a good keyword. Keep these in mind, as they will help you determine whether a keyword is suitable for your website. First of all, you should focus on keywords that your target audience is looking for. Of course, you only want to attract users to your website who are specifically looking for what you're offering. This, first of all, means that the keyword is relevant to your website. If you have a bicycle shop in Amsterdam, you want to focus on keywords that match what you're offering as closely as possible. You only want to get people to your website who are interested in cycling and everything related to it. Secondly, the keyword must attract visitors who have a certain value to your website. For this, we have to look at the search intent behind certain keywords. People can search for a variety of reasons. Knowledge or general information, for example, the history of the bicycle. This person is looking for general information out of personal interest. Then there's more concrete information. How do I fix a tire? This person is looking for specific instructions on how to do something. Then we have comparison keywords. Mountain bike versus race bike. This person wants to buy a new bicycle and is comparing different options. Finally, purchase type keywords. Buy mountain bike Amsterdam. This person is ready to buy something. He compared mountain bikes and race bikes, decided he wants to get a mountain bike, and is looking for a shop in Amsterdam where he can buy one. The person in the first category is perhaps not the most interesting one to get to our website. He's looking for general information and is probably not very interested in buying a bicycle. He's rather looking for an article on Wikipedia than a bicycle shop in Amsterdam. The person in category 4 represents the most value to us. This person is specifically looking for a bicycle shop in Amsterdam to buy a mountain bike. From a commercial standpoint, this user has the most value for our website. If this person comes to our website, there's a good chance that he will buy a bike from our shop. Users in category 2 and 3 have less value in that regard, but these keywords can certainly also be interesting for our website. For example, the person who's looking for how to fix a tire initially wants to do it himself and does not need a repair shop. But if he doesn't manage to fix his tire, there's a good chance he will come to our store to do it for him. If we have a good article on our website about how to fix a tire, with a clear instructional video for example, he knows that we can solve this problem for him. By showing that we have expertise in our field, users will start to trust us. And if they ever have problems with their bike, there's a good chance that they come to our store. For example, you could also offer a free ebook on how to best fix your tire. You send this ebook when people subscribe to your newsletter. Then you could send specific offers to your newsletter subscribers and, for example, give them a discount in your shop. Information type keywords like how do I fix a tire may therefore also be very interesting. Assess the value of a keyword to your website to see how interesting that keyword is to you. Information type keywords may be just as valuable to you as transactional keywords. The second quality we're looking for is good search volume. This means the average number of searches per month for this keyword. Of course, you want to target a keyword that people are actually searching for. If there's no one who searches for a certain keyword in Google, then of course it makes no sense to use it on your website. If on the other hand there are 1,000 people every month who enter a certain keyword phrase in Google, it starts to get more interesting. If we rank high in the search engines for this keyword, we can drive a certain percentage of those 1,000 people to our website every month. You would probably think the more search volume the better, right? We would rather have 10,000 people searching for a particular keyword than just 100. This is what you might think at first, but those very popular keywords are usually not the ones that you should pick. That's because of the third quality of a good keyword, and that is, you can beat the competition, meaning you can rank for it. Only the keywords you can rank for are interesting. We want to be in the top 10 search results, and if we have no chance of even getting there, there's no point in targeting that keyword. If you have a keyword with a very high search volume, say 100,000 searches per month, that usually means that the competition is very hard to beat. A lot of people are searching for this keyword, so there's a lot of demand. If demand is high, then it usually means that there's also a lot of supply. In other words, there are many websites that target this search query. With more competitors, it's also a lot more difficult to rank high in the search engines. If there are only 20 competing web pages for a particular keyword, you obviously have a much higher chance of ranking than if there are 100,000 web pages that all specifically target that keyword. Another factor, of course, is the strength of the competition. If the top 10 in Google mostly consists of websites with a lot of authority, like big companies, big players in the market, sites that have a lot of backlinks, then they will be very difficult to beat. So we're looking for keywords that have a good search volume, but that don't have so much competition we have no chance of ranking. In summary, these are the 3 conditions for a good keyword. The keyword attracts the right visitors to your website, so the keyword is relevant and attracts visitors who have a certain value to your site. It has good search volume, meaning the average number of searches per month. Higher search volume is better, but beware and think of point number 3, you can beat the competition. This means the number of competitors and the strength of those competitors. The fewer competitors and the weaker the websites of those competitors are, the more chance we have to rank high in the search engines. In the next lesson, we will look at a type of keyword that gives the best results for your website: long tail keywords.